There we go. There we go. Good afternoon and welcome to another edition of Rupert's Weekly Property Show. Today, from a different golf resort, we stay in the Murcian region, we stay within the Polaris developments, but today we have changed location to Menor Golf Resort. What an impression, eh? I'm standing here in a two-bed, two-bathroom apartment, which has quite a decent south orientation, overlooking the golf course, the lake. It's quite a relaxing setup, I have to say. Fantastic. Well, it's 34 degrees today. It's a little bit humid, so we are suffering maybe a little bit more. I think the real feel will be around 38, 39 today. So sweating since 9 o'clock in the morning, putting up lots of for sale boards today, because we have many new listings on our website. And today we are here on Menor Golf Resort, and I'm showing you a first floor, two-bed, two-bathroom apartment, south-facing, and as well facing the golf course, as you can see, facing the lake. You can't swim in the lake, you can't fish in the lake, forget it. But otherwise, it's quite a great location to say. Comes with all the mod cons. Well, we will see now. No? Okay, we start here with the views, as always. As you know, I'm a big fan of views and all that, because I think views are one of the most important assets after the location thingy, no? So here today we have quite a nicely covered terrace. As you can see, this is fully covered, but there is more than enough sun in here, so that's not a problem. We are here in the so-called Melvin apartments, designed and executed by the famous architect Melvin Roel. Within estate agents, they're also called the elephant feet because they have there is this kind of thingy here. I don't know if you can see that. It looks from far, it looks a little bit like an elephant feet. So obviously nobody knows what's the use of that. The owners of this apartment have decided to use it as a storage area, as you can see. There we go. So that's full of storage. It's quite useful to have storage here in these apartments because they're always short of that. But yeah, that's what it is. So we're here in one of the Melvin apartments today on the Menor Golf Resort. On the dedicated webpage of Quality Homes Costa Calida, it's the reference 3659. The same reference as well on our webpage for Murcia Dreams, reference 3659. Asking price is only 167,950 and comes with garage, with furnishing, with fully ducted air conditioning, and most important, with this pressured view. No? I think that's one of the assets. Those people here are not included. We will talk about them later. As you can see, there is lots of space here, so we can house here the sun lounges and a large dining table for 6 without any problems. So I think that's quite okay. Also, the bench over there built is also quite nice. But enough of the words. Let me show you the property from the inside. Ooh. Nice thing here is that they have decent sliding doors which really open quite far, so it makes a difference. Both sides are moving, both of them are moving, so that's quite a nice one because it really opens up, no? Because normally you either have the left side and the right side. It's always one side is blocked, in this case not. Okay, well, and this is now the living room. Those people who know maybe the shows from Condado might see already that this is a little bit larger to say. So we have here a decent lounge suite with everything in there, with a nice television over there, with a decent 3-seater sofa, and still there is enough space. Eh? Then we come to the dining area over here. So it's all quite nicely separated as well, so it really gives a different feel to as smaller apartments to say. And most important, the kitchen is on the one side open plan, but obviously it's a real kitchen. So in here we have enough space. There you go, on both sides, also enough storage space. The property, as we said, is sold as seen, so we get all the white goods, all the kitchen stuff and all that comes included. As you know, normally people take their private stuff away, their clothing, maybe some decorative items, which could be memorabilia for them. But otherwise the property is sold as seen. and includes as well a parking spot in the garage, which is also quite useful, especially when the car is standing in the sun all day. A garage space is really something what people are looking for, to say. As I said, 34 degrees today, real feel is about 38 at the moment, so it makes a difference than having the car parked in a garage which is covered. Master bedroom, as you can see, fitted, furnished, again direct views to the golf course and the lake. And as well, as it's a two-bed, two-bathroom apartment, we also have a decent master bathroom. That's now the master bathroom. They have changed the bath tap to a walk-in shower, which is quite handy and is maybe meeting nowadays more the needs of people interested in an apartment here in the southeast of Spain, in the region of Murcia. But legally, they have to build a bathtub. What you do later on with the bathtub, if you change it, that's not a problem. But to get the famous first occupation license, then you need as well a bathtub. So the second bathroom, let's start with this one, as well fitted with all what we need. So, and a shower cabin here. The other one, as you have seen, has a large walk-in shower. The second bedroom, and it's beautiful in here because we turned on the air conditioning some 20 minutes ago, and it works perfectly and allows me to work in here without starting to sweat again. There we go. So as well, the second bedroom, fitted with double bed, two bedside tables, fitted wardrobes in both bedrooms, as we have seen as well in the master bedroom. But the nice thing here as well is that we get an additional terrace to the back, with nice views overlooking here the community gardens, out to the lemon groves and whatever they're growing out there at the moment. I think that's quite a nice picture, no? This really makes my day now, I have to say. So this is now the shady side, obviously, because that's north-facing, as the main terrace is south-facing. So I think that's quite a nice idea and quite a nice feature over here. So as we said, ducted air conditioning, which makes a difference again to the split units, because you just have one remote control and you can control the climate setup for the entire apartment with that. The living room, as we said, is really massive, not massive, but really ample and big, no doubt about it. And here we can swing again the Tiger. Just let me turn around a little bit. I hope it's not too wobbly today. There we go. Unfortunately, the Facebook app does not allow me to use some of the functions of my smartphone. So we are working on that. But the issue is that my smartphone would have a much better stabilizer than Facebook is using through its app. But we are working on the topic. Having said that, I just made my turn around. No? So you have seen now the living room as well. And just let me walk out on the terrace again to make sure that you see again this fantastic view over here, which is really great. I mean, anyway, this is the place to be here, you know. I think it's the terrace which makes it quite attractive as well, apart from the furnishing and from the setup and layout of the apartment as well. This is just breathtaking. I'm just waffling away because the view is really great here. Yeah, it's nice because we're in the shade, no, but we look into the sun. Okay, Anna is working away here. So can I take this now? Can we do this endless now? This could be the infinity loop,
sound,
no?
it's even more fun.
Well, I don't know. No, rather not. Rather not. Okay. Well, guys, as you can see, today with me I have Anna. She's nearly always with me. And as well I have the listing agent, Steen, who is responsible for this apartment, responsible for the listing of this apartment. So congrats, it's really a nice place. Price-wise, I think we are slightly below average, no? Because I heard that...
Yeah, a little bit higher, so this is a good price,
Yeah. Yes. So price-wise, I think we're on the right side.
And with one of the better one is moved a bit forward, so it's got a lot of privacy.
Yeah.
And you got a massive lot, the pool just at the end of the building.
Yeah. Okay, the pool is just at the end of the building, because I saw one pool over there. As you can see, there is one pool. Yeah, this works perfectly over there. But there is another pool just around the corner, but we can't show it because it's just behind Over there. No, we don't see it. It's just where the trees are. There you go in, and it's the pool. So it's about maybe 30 meters from the block or something like that. Yeah, so that's really nice. Okay, so asking price is 167,950. It's reference 3659 on our dedicated webpage, murciadreams.com, or as well on qualityhomescostacalida.com. Viewings, well, just drop us a note. You can call us at 868-619-319 or just send an email to steen@murciadreams.com, and he will be happy to show you the apartment, do a virtual viewing, whatever you need. You name it, we have it. So, thank you very much for participating today again in one of Rupert's weekly property shows. I hope to see you again next week. Do we know already where we go? Do we release it already, Anna?
No, I don't think so.
We don't release it yet.
Surprise, surprise.
Surprise, surprise. Okay, so that's what we do, guys. So please tune in again next Thursday. Stay alert. We will inform on Tuesday about where we will go next week. But in the meantime, in case you have interest in this property or any other property, just visit our webpage, www.qualityhomescostacalida.com or www.murciadreams.com. In the meantime, I wish you a beautiful weekend. Stay safe.
Stay cool.
Stay cool, yeah. Thank you very much. And God bless. Cheers, bye. Take care.